Materials required to make this craft are one soap box, two all-out boxes, one Fevistick and one Fevicol. You can use glue gun also if you want. Two colored papers. I have colored it in pink and green. One pencil, eraser, ruler and scissors. So let's get into our video. First, take a soap box and take two colored papers and glue it to the box as shown in the video. So, I have stick the pink colored paper to the sides and blue colored paper at the bottom of the soap box. Now, let's take two all-out boxes. First, you have to cut it in horizontal manner and diagonally with the help of the scissors as shown in the video. After you finished cutting, it should look something like this. I have made one more before only, so we have two equal shaped boxes. Now let's take green colored paper. I have sticked it in this manner. See, like this you have to stick it. You have to no need to stick at the bottom of this. Now all you have to do is take the soap box which we have stick initially and you have to stick the all-out boxes in the front of the soap box, seeing that the bases are equal. So you have to stick it in this manner. You can use glue gun also if you want instead of Fevicol also. It will stick so hard. It will stick easily. This color combination will look damn good for this craft. So until it dries, let's make the flowers. So for making the craft flowers, I am taking two various colors of woolen thread. I have taken the combination colors that are pink and white. You can take any colors and I have taken two same colors of sewing thread and a needle and some pearls. Now let's take a pencil and cut woolen thread which is of the same size of the pencil, and put the rubber bands at the ends of the pencil too. So the woolen thread will set in the one place. Or you can put the pencil cap also. Now keep rolling the woolen thread around the pencil until it reaches to the end of the rubber band or pen cap. According to the size of a pencil, we have rolled 74 times. When you keep rolling, you have to bring the thread near as shown in the video. It will be so satisfying when you will keep on rolling like this. Now tie a knot at the two ends and of the pencil and remove the thread from the pencil and again tie a knot. You have to adjust the thread to bring it into a flower shape. Now take a needle and thread which is of same color matched to the woolen and take a pearl of any color and sew it in the middle of the flower. Sew it very tightly so the pearl will not come out of the flower. If you have glue gun, you can use the glue gun also instead of sewing thread. But if you sew, it stays for a long time. So here is the flower. Look how elegant it is. I have made 2 more flowers in the same way. Now stick the 3 flowers to the front of the boxes. can stick in this way or else you can stick in this way also. You may get the doubt that the wool will stick to the box or not, but it will stick, guys. No need to be worried. So here is our craft, guys. It is a best out of waste craft. It will be very useful for you to keep things like gum, glues, pencil, erasers, stationery items, etc. It looks very beautiful. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Crafty Bridge. See you later. Bye bye.